Hello students, today I have brought a question for you on my YouTube channel. To understand the communicative language teaching question, watch the full video, and if the channel is not subscribed, then subscribe to the channel. Let's start today's question. Communicative language teaching. Language learning is an important program in the life of a man. Whatever language we learn, we should be able to communicate efficiently by using that language. Here, the linguistic part of it is very significant. Our proficiency in that language is a must. It includes proper use of structures, vocabulary, etc. in written as well as in spoken form. Efficiency in language is the basis for effective communication. Let's familiarize ourselves with the word communication. The word communication is derived from the Latin word communis, which means common. Thus, communication is a common experience of the people with each other. Language serves the purpose of the communication. Suppose a person has something in his mind and he wants to communicate it to others. It is possible if he knows the language. The receiver of information should also know that language, especially the skills of its listening and speaking. Only then its proper communication will take place. Communicative approach. The communicative approach is based on the idea that learning language successfully comes through having to communicate real meaning. Communicative language teaching is an approach to language teaching that emphasizes interaction as both the means and the ultimate goal of study. It was the name Chomsky theories in the 1960s, focusing on competency and performance in the language learning, that gave rise to communication language teaching. But the conceptual basis of communicative language teaching was laid in 1970s by the linguist Michael Halliday, who studied how language functions are expressed through grammar. It is also includes the using of the language functionally and actively in different situations of life. Features of communicative language teaching. Language in different situations. Language learning is not learning the rules of grammar only. It is use the language in different situations of life as per daily routine. Dialogue teaching. In different situations, dialogue may be used because dialogue is an important technique. Pronunciation. Good pronunciation is stressed in this approach. Learner's first language. Communicative language teaching approach accepts a judicious use of learner's first language, the mother tongue. Four basic skills. Four basic skills. This approach is based on all the four basic skills of learning the language: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. To use target language. To use target language. The teachers encourage the learner to use the target language without any feeling of shyness or hesitation. ठीक है. उसके बाद objectives of communicative language teaching. To develop communicative competency among the learners, to enable the learners create meanings, to help the learners think the variety of real life situation, to help the learner to give stress to the meanings and functions of the language, to enable the learners acquire the four basic skills of the language. Next, classroom activity. In communicative language teaching. Communicative language teachers choose classroom activity based on what they believe in going to be most effective for students developing communicative abilities in the target language. First, role play. The instructor sets the scene. Where is the conversation taking place? For example, in a cafe, in a park. Second, the instructor defines the goal of the student's conversation. For example, the speaker is asking for directions. The speaker is ordering coffee. Next, these activities give students the chance to improve their communication skills. Second activity, interview. An interview is an oral activity done in pairs whose main goal is to develop students' interpersonal skills in the target language. For example, first the instructor gives each student the same set of questions to ask a partner. The students take turns asking and answering the questions in pairs. This activity, since it is highly structured, allows for the instructor to more closely monitor students' responses. And third activity, group work. Group work is a collaborative activity whose purpose is to foster communication in the target language in a larger group setting. For example, students are assigned a group of no more than 6 people. Students are assigned a specific role within the group. Third, the instructor gives each group the same task to complete. The members of the group discuss the information they have found with each other. In this, students are asked to focus on one piece of information only, which increases their comprehension of that information. Next, advantages of communicative language teaching. First, increases confidence. Second, feels satisfied. Third, more practical type. Self-rewarding, pupil-oriented, interesting and motivating. Grammar rules as a necessary to speak, so it is more proficient and efficient. Disadvantages, neglects the skills of reading and writing, lack of infrastructure, shortage of competent teachers, not useful for overcrowded classes, lack of proper time and environment. Okay, thank you.